Good morning, welcome to the video, welcome to the channel. Hey, today we got something a little bit different. I'm up in Drexel, Missouri, about 3 hours from home. Drove up here just on the whim. I've got a friend named Butch, and he called me and told me that there was a truck up here that somebody was going to scrap. And me liking the old C10 trucks, this being a 1972 model truck we're going to go grab, I definitely jumped at the chance. So we're going to go and may have to help pull a bed off a truck, but we're going to go and do that, see if we can get it loaded up and haul it back to Oklahoma, maybe save one from the crusher. So while I'm walking around Butch's truck here so you guys can look at the trailering special, I want to make sure to remind you to click that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Definitely helps the channel out. So here we are, found the truck, looks good. All we have to do now is lay down here and pull the bolts for the bed. Hopefully they'll come out nice, so it's not a big 4-day long project to get the bed off. So we'll just set you guys back here and try to do something. She is rusty, but not too bad. My buddy Butch up here holding these bolts down just to make sure that they don't spin.
No, not yet. There it is. He's out.
Oh, cool. Get this nut. Dang. Son. Over here. Alright. I'm still a little warm. Where there's some friction on it.
Mm-hmm.
Old Brian was not giving up on that side. Back. Who's driving?
Alright. Come on, you can get up in there, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
You got it,
I
man.
figured you had that truck turn around and roll right off in there, whoever's driving.
Well, I thought about putting it on that trailer, but like I think getting the bed off would be harder.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, then we got something to send it on, we're just gonna drive up under it, so what do you think?
We can lift that. We gotta put it.
Yeah, we're gonna put it on the tub over there. So
Yeah, the tub's over there.
what?
Yeah.
We'll get Kay out here. She'll help.
Roll it down the driveway and take it off.
Roll it down the driveway.
Yeah, no, yeah. We're gonna push it down, and then we're gonna back it up.
Oh, maybe.
Extra hard.
Yeah.
Got to just introduce yourself. We will. We'll get you there. All right. Coming up. You might turn it to your left just a little bit. All right, it's getting ready to break over the dovetail on the back of the trailer.
Yeah.
Hey guys, well, we got the truck back, unloaded off the trailer without incident. Does seem like one of the tires is not going to hold air for us, but I took the hood that came with it, I put it on, just roughly aligned it, got this thing. It doesn't look bad for something that's been sitting out. You can definitely tell it's been sitting out. This vent window, when I tried to close it, it just snapped the bolt off the bottom. That's kind of discouraging, but it does have fairly nice door panels, and it is an AC cab, but it does have quite a few of the rust worms have gotten in at it. I haven't looked under the carpet or anything. I don't really know if I'm going to pull the carpet up on it. It may be quite a while before I do any serious looking, but do believe it has the original gas cap on it. You can tell it's been worked over before. Got spots down here, big bubbles where they've replaced these cab corners kind of. Up underneath the truck, it is a lightweight model. You can definitely tell we're missing some stuff. Crushed body mounts, but the frame looks good, you know, for the most part. So I think it was a great truck to go and save from being crushed, because that's what was in its future. So hey, gonna end the video here. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.